Dallas homeowners know how challenging it can be to keep indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. Long, hot summers place heavy demands on air conditioning systems, while cooler winter days still require effective insulation. One often overlooked source of energy loss is the entry door. Old or poorly sealed doors allow heat to escape in winter and let hot air seep inside during summer. Upgrading to replacement doors is a smart way to improve energy efficiency, reduce utility bills, and enhance overall comfort in Dallas homes. Here's how replacement doors make a meaningful difference in energy efficiency. Tighter seals prevent costly air leaks over time. Older doors can warp, crack, or develop gaps around the frame. These gaps allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Modern replacement doors are designed with compression-style weather-stripping precision-fit frames, improved threshold seals. These features create a tight barrier that keeps cooled air inside during Dallas's hot summers and prevents drafts during cooler months. Insulated door cores reduce heat transfer. One of the most important energy-saving features of modern replacement doors is the insulated core. Unlike hollow core doors, today's energy-efficient doors include dense insulation materials that slow the movement of heat. Common insulated core options include polyurethane foam polystyrene insulation. These materials help block heat gain from the outside, making it easier to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year. Energy-efficient materials perform better in heat. Dallas's intense sun and high temperatures can cause some door materials to expand or deteriorate over time. Modern replacement doors are built with materials designed to handle heat without compromising performance. Popular energy-efficient materials include fiberglass doors, which resist warping and offer excellent insulation, steel doors, which provide strength and efficient thermal performance, composite doors, engineered for durability and efficiency. These materials maintain their shape and sealing ability even during extreme heat. Improved glass options enhance efficiency without sacrificing light. Many entry and patio doors include glass panels or side lights to bring in natural light. Modern replacement doors use advanced glazing technology to prevent energy loss through glass. Energy-efficient glass features include double or triple pane construction, low-E coatings that reflect solar heat, tight seals that prevent air leakage. This allows homeowners to enjoy bright entryways without higher cooling costs. Reduced HVAC strain lowers energy bills when replacement doors seal properly and limit heat transfer. HVAC systems don't need to run as frequently to maintain comfortable temperatures. Homeowners benefit from reduced energy consumption, lower monthly utility bills, less wear and tear on heating and cooling systems over time. These savings add up and extend the lifespan of HVAC equipment. Improved comfort near entryways. Drafty doors often create hot spots or cold zones near entryways, making certain areas uncomfortable. Replacement doors help eliminate these temperature imbalances. Homeowners notice more consistent indoor temperatures, greater comfort near doors and hallways, less reliance on fans or space heaters. This enhances everyday living throughout the home. Professional installation maximizes energy performance. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements and alignment, proper insulation around the frame, secure sealing against air leaks. Professional installation is essential for achieving maximum energy savings. Increased home value and long-term savings. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to buyers and add long-term value to Dallas homes. Replacement doors improve curb appeal, signal quality, construction and efficiency, increase resale potential. A simple upgrade with big energy benefits. Replacing old doors is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve energy efficiency in Dallas homes. With tighter seals, insulated cores, durable materials, and professional installation, modern replacement doors help homeowners stay comfortable while lowering energy costs. For Dallas homeowners seeking practical savings and long-term comfort, upgrading to energy-efficient replacement doors is a smart investment that pays off in every season.